kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to give you a short demo of my new app, and that is the document scanner. So basically what we will do is we will scan the document, and then we will convert the image into PDF, and then we will try to upload it to our Google Drive using the Google Drive API in Android. Alright, so let's get started. And also after this demo I will be starting a new video series, and that video series will be on Google Drive API. So basically I will teach you how you can upload your documents or your images to your Google Drive API using Android Studio in Java. Alright, so let's begin our demo. So here you can see we have this video, and there are two buttons. The first one is the scan document, and the other one is the gallery. So this gallery activity will display all the scanned documents here, and after we click on that, then we can open it. Okay, since we don't have any document here, so I will click on the scan document, and it is asking me for this. So we choose the camera. So now the camera is here. Let me just capture an image, and we will select this image, and there you can see we can we have the option to crop this image. So what we can do, we will let me crop it, and we click on crop, and here it will ask me for my Gmail account, and there if I select this, so okay, as you can see we have this captured image, and if we click on save button, so it will ask me for the format. So it is asking me to create the PDF format. If I click cancel, so the dialog will be dismissed, but if I click on save, and here you can see uploading to Google Drive, and there you can see that this image has been uploaded successfully to our Google Drive. So if I want to check my Google Drive, so you will be able to see and there you can see we have this image. And after this, if we want to go to our gallery part, and there you can see we have this PDF. So if we click on that, and there you can see we can display it inside our activity. So that is it. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.